What's up everybody? It's Mike here from PartsVu.com. We're out this morning at Lake Trafford, known for airboats and alligators, just northeast of the PartsVu.com warehouse in beautiful Naples, Florida. We're here with pro bass fisherman Garrett Paquette. He brought his new 2022 Bass Cat Cougar with him, so let's go check it out. Garrett.
How you doing?
Good morning, man.
Good to see you.
Welcome to beautiful Lake Trafford.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's a lot better than back home right now in
Yeah.
February. So
fair enough. It's a little chilly for Florida this morning, but still, it's pretty nice. So,
awesome.
Have you been out here before?
No, never been out here. Heard a lot about
man.
the lake. I'm excited to get out there. I know there's a bunch of alligators, hopefully a bunch of bass to be caught.
Exactly, man. It should be really awesome. And look at the boat. It looks great. This is the first time we've really seen it in action in this beautiful light. So yeah, tell us a bit about it.
Yeah, I'm really happy with how this came out. Obviously, we got the PartsVu.com wrap.
Hey.
Looking great.
Looking awesome.
Really simple design that we went with on the wrap, just a blue to black gradient, matte finish. I've only had it for a couple weeks and I've had tons of compliments on it. And
yeah, it looks great, man.
It's just a really simple, sleek design.
Pops so nice.
Showcases the logos.
Yeah, exactly.
The guys up, I got this done at ATS Printing.
Yep.
Up in Bay City, Michigan by my house. And they did a great job. They've always done a great job for me, in and out, simple,
yeah, awesome, man.
quality.
Yep. Easy to keep this up, I think. You know, it looks great, should last a good long time, and it really pops nice on the water.
It does,
so,
yeah.
Yeah, so hey, boat looks great. We're gonna get out there, try and catch some bass, so we'll see how we go.
What's up, guys? Thank you for watching this video. Here at PartsVu, we are very passionate about the boating lifestyle. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out PartsVu.com for all your boating needs. We'll catch you next time.